Alright, how are you doing? I'm Colin and this is Shineautomotive, and this is what we call a week in Shine, which is the vlog of what we get up to running a garage in the UK. And this week is really random. It's just random stuff of what we get up to in the garage, and I waffle if you don't know me. So this is a week in Shine. Let's crack on. Let's see what we got up to this week at the garage. I come to John again. You remember the last week in Shine? Can you remember the last week in Shine? Hey? Wowzer. That is mentally, that is just stunning, isn't it? That is stunning. Absolutely stunning. All fabricated from flat sheet metal. What the F? Can John fabricate? Yeah? John the Oh, I nearly said it. You can fab. What are you doing this morning, Lewis? Fixing cars. Fixing cars. Where? I wonder where you've learnt that from. Isuzu Trooper. Right hand drive, alternator replace. If you had a left hand drive one, that steering box is not there, so you can just drop it out the side. You can't really drop it out the bottom without dropping the coolant off. The easiest way is just to pull the aircon pump off, remove the battery, which you've got to take the battery lead off anyway, and it comes straight out there. It's quite easy to do once you've figured out how to do it. That's right, isn't it, Lewis? And what is this video?
Week in Shine.
Week in Shine. 1 time second-hand alternator supplied by customer. It's got lots of oil down there, which is rust preventive maintenance. That's what we'll call that one today.
How come it's so rusty then?
This is a trooper. What Lewis is doing now is having a nana nap. I've caught him fast asleep under this car, sleeping. Look at him snoring. Would you believe it? We're doing another alternator. Yeah. It's weird. When you don't do any alternators for ages, then we'll do loads of alternators. Or like we won't do any exhaust for ages, then we do loads of exhaust. It's crazy. Or loads of servicing, or loads of other stuff. It's mental. Got this quite nice looking 2016 Mercedes in for a oil and filter service. New customer, which we like to see. We don't get very modern cars in this place. We always work on the old rubbish that nobody else will work on. There we go. I'm doing my apprentice's duties here.
Your apprentice will be.
Lewis, here's a cup of tea for you. Who are you on the phone to?
Steve.
Steve at MPD?
Yeah, he's trying to find a clutch for a Daihatsu Token.
Oh, yeah, I forgot all about that. And this is a part that Lewis has got ready that's sold this morning. The dogs are chilling out in the sun. Good morning, everybody. The fish that look like they're hungry. I'll come down there and I'll slap you in a minute, Steve.
Really?
I've got one, yeah.
So what we're doing this afternoon is we're filming, working on the recovery truck as well. So Matt has fixed the washer jets. I've done all the welding. Lewis has rounded off the D-bush bolt and he's got stuff in his eye with glasses on. But he rounded it off, that's what happens at the end of the day. And he's put a ball joint dust cover. So not the ball joint to the traffic end. Nice new ball joint dust cover on there. Do you want me to get in there and have a go at welding it, Lou?
Yeah, you can do it. I've just cleaned off a bit next to it so you can get the earth on.
Recovery truck's done and it's into the afternoon. There's a very oily Peugeot and a new alternator arrived. And I think Lewis is going to do a CV on it as well, aren't you? Alright, who's doing that? Thank you, Colin. I'm in the back of the van. It's another 5 o'clock start and we're off to Donington Park because we mean business. When we said we mean business, we mean business. And we're praying to God today it's not going to rain because the last time we went to Donington Park it rained and the car wasn't performing very well. We've got Nathan at the helm again and we've got Thomas. Thomas doesn't say a lot, but that's Thomas. Yeah. We're just leaving Thirsk, Weatherby roundabout, and we're going to have a go-go karting. Easy. Where are we now, Nathan?
Donington Park. Maybe.
Donington Park. You want to stay in the TP? Look at that, an old bus. The party bus.
Oh, look at them, you can stay.
So we've actually got here at 7:15, where last time we never got here till nearly 9 o'clock due to, was it 9:30? Due to the traffic. We've got a garage set up, cars in. Nathan's making the brews, got a new toolbox. We brought some spares this time, haven't we, Nathan?
Yeah, man.
Lewis and Erin here.
Alright.
Hi, Lewis. Are you having a really good time?
Yeah.
Thomas is taking it out for a shakedown. Hopefully it's running on all 4 cylinders now. It's a quite nice little starlet there. Whoa. I'm stopping quickly because our test day has gone really well. Luckily, we brought some spares because we need a clutch right now. So Nathan's just doing the bolts out the bottom and then we'll get the gearbox out. Well done, Thomas.
I didn't do anything.
I know you didn't do it. No, you are. You're holding the socket. 35 minutes, done. We're going to go test it now. Right, so we're leaving the track after an eventful day. The clutch went, then we changed the gearbox in lightning speed and we trapped the crank position centre wire in the bell housing and it wouldn't start, so we had to bodge that up. So we've got a few things to do before we race at Donington on the 30th of this month. But yeah, the car is flying and I'm tired now, so I'm probably going to have a nana nap on the way home and who knows what will happen tomorrow in the week in Shine. Right, so we've got this GTO in that we've been filming. This has been in for quite a while because we've had to do a major load of welding work on this GTO and we're currently rebuilding a part of the engine that somebody kindly had done some work on it and they dropped one of the washers down into one of the intakes and it's been wedged somewhere and it's finally made its way into the cylinder. So it just bent a couple of valves and we've had to send the head away, and the head is currently just being sat on and we just need to sort out getting a cam belt. For these have become really expensive. So this is coming up in its own sole video, which is quite a good video. We've done loads of welding work and this is on its final stage of getting put back together, and I believe it will be going to a body shop to get painted, won't it, Nala? Yes. So we've got that coming up in its own video. I'll give you a little sneak peek of what we've been doing as well, which is wicked. Got the car unloaded from racing. So we've been on with this and this is going to be mega. This is a mega thing. XRAC on heavy axles. We've done a mountain's worth of work to this. Sills, sides, arches, inner step bits, the shebang. Loads. Front end, light panels, arches, wings, all down here, all down here. Full rear quarter. It's had a full roof gutter and I've actually painted the roof already. Look at that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So this is coming up in its own sole video. That should be out, I'd reckon, in 2 months' time. Let's be serious. New breakers in as well. There is a Safira in. Nobody's bought the Renault 25 yet. If anyone wants to buy the Renault 25, come on, I need to sell it. We've got quite a bit in right now. So if there is any bits you need, we are on eBay. So it just helps out when we're quiet. What else have we got? We can give you a little sneak peek. And we've got the Astra van that we're doing that interior. And that's just been here a long time, but they keep adding stuff. And then we've got this Astra there for braking. Still got the Cavalier. We've got lots of stuff. And the Bredford, I need to get that sold. So if anyone's interested in that, it's all half done. If you haven't seen the video did really well. So the Bredford needs to go now as well. That's tax and test exempt. It was tested a couple of years ago when Sam used it, but we need to get that gone because we've got a couple of bills to pay, and that's going to help get us back on top of things. Obviously we've got the G-Wagon and the XRTT inside, and we've also got John's Navara pickup for some paintwork soon as well. So there is loads going on, so there's going to be some good content build coming on. And the Honda, the S2000, that is done. That got dropped back off at James's, who owns it, and he's getting the paintwork done. So I'm hoping to meet up with him soon because I'd like to get it done from us doing all the welding work to seeing it all painted. All right, and I think that wraps it up for this week. Not the longest one that we've normally done, but we'll see you in the next one. I've been Colin, we are Shineautomotive, and if you like this sort of stuff, there's more videos here of the Week in Shine, and click here to subscribe. Bye now.